So what we're looking at here is what used to be a picnic basket. You can see the two holes for wine bottles. And there used to be a lid there and a second half to it. And it's now been completely engulfed as a bee's nest. I guess we said yellow jackets. There's a few dead ones in there that you can see. It's actually pretty beautiful if you look at the design. Just made the basket their home. See where the handle just disappears right into it. So this is probably the front door right here. Very creative new picnic basket. Alright, so we have cut the sections off of the outside. They're actually really beautiful. Max might use them for something. We were very curious. We had to see inside. See, we cut the whole kind of top and front facade off. Honeycomb.
Oh, it's
solid.
Look around the sides too. It's kind of got the.
It's encased.
Yeah.
It's a little block of honeycomb that was just encased. It's awesome. I'm very glad it's empty though. Because we are by no means experts here. couple of jabronis screwing around with something they probably shouldn't be.
That's